hear the name Italjet, you expect madness. You expect engineering that breaks all the rules. You think of the outlandish trellis-framed dragster. But today, Italjet has dropped something entirely new. Something that has all the wacky engineering we've come to expect, but with a completely different soul. This is the 2026 Italjet Roadster 400, and it is a piece of retro-futuristic rolling art. Where the dragster is all aggressive angles and raw performance, the Roadster plays in a different sandbox. Think of it as the Jetsons meets cyberpunk. Italjet says the design pays homage to classic silhouettes of the past while drawing inspiration from fighter jets, and you can absolutely see it. Just look at these massive, turbine-like side pods. They're not just for show, they're functional cooling ducts for the twin radiators hidden inside. It's a design that is both beautifully nostalgic and aggressively futuristic at the same time. Now, let's talk about the chassis, because this is where things get truly, wonderfully weird. The Roadster uses a new tubular steel trellis frame, but the suspension is where the magic happens. Gone is the dragster's single-sided front end. In its place is Italjet's brand new dynamic linkage articulated steering. It's a complex two-piece scissor linkage that incorporates the twin Nissan front brake calipers directly into its structure. Italjet claims it's a highly rigid system that enhances steering accuracy and preserves their signature handling character. And in true Italjet fashion, the suspension is controlled by Ohlins shocks at both ends, mounted in the most unusual locations you can imagine. This isn't just engineering, this is mechanical sculpture. Powering this masterpiece is a 394cc single-cylinder engine, putting out a very respectable 41.5 horsepower and 41.2 Newton-meters of torque, all sent through a smooth CVT and belt drive. But the real story is the sound. A chunky exhaust header snakes out of the engine, splits into two, and disappears into the bodywork, before emerging as a pair of gorgeous, high-mounted Akrapovic mufflers right behind the seat. You know this thing is going to sound incredible. What really elevates the Roadster is the sheer quality of it all. The whole thing just feels premium. The matte black and bronze paint scheme is pure class. The multi-textured seat, the discreet red details. It's the personification of tasteful Italian flair. You have beautiful billet aluminum spoked wheels hiding behind gargantuan brake discs. And then you notice the finer touches, like the CNC machined lever guards with integrated LED turn signals. It shows a level of obsession with detail that is just breathtaking. So what's our final takeaway? The 2026 Italjet Roadster 400 is more than just a scooter. It's a design statement. It's a showcase of radical engineering. Frankly, it's a machine that we desperately want to ride and then immediately park in our living room to just stare at it. It's beautiful, it's bizarre, and it's quintessentially Italjet. What do you think of this retro-futuristic masterpiece? Is it the coolest scooter you've ever seen?